The goal of this activity is to really work the legs. You're going to loosen up the upper back as well. Here's what you're going to do. You want to get some heel elevation, and you want to offset one of them by raising the height up like so. So I'm going to be in an asymmetrical stance. And so all I'll do is I'm going to stand on the wedges just like so. You want to take a plate, hold it like you're holding a tray. Just make sure you don't crunch, so your chest can kind of stay parallel to the wall. Soft knees at the start, get heavy on the heels without locking them. Exhale at the start, then you're going to inhale, take knees forward, butt down. Exhale, bring it back up. Just like that. One more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.